remember that we are on the ocean. It's always in motion. So make sure you use those handrails, seat backs, and stanchions.
喂啊，妹妹，我们要去哪里？
Thanks again, and we look forward to showing you that wildlife.
妹妹，我们要去哪里？ Whale.
Yes, we are pulling away too. There are 2 bald eagles perched at our 9 o'clock out on that little reef. So we're heading away. We're trying to find you some whales, but we do see wildlife all around us. And we don't have fish finder or radar here on our boat. So we need you guys to look just as well as we're looking for things. If we had fish finder, we'd only see the whales when they're directly below our boat. And if we had sonar, that would affect the whales because they go by hearing and sometimes it throws them off track. So we just use good old-fashioned eyesight binoculars and some radio chatter between our sister ships.
现在是要去看 whale.
They let us know if they see a whale. We are looking for those humpback whales today, but we may see other things. So if you see splashes on the water, let me know.
Humpback 是抹香鲸啊，我记
I'll try
得。
to identify it for you. That main thing that's been throwing off those all of the cruise shippers are the salmon. I have yet to have a cruise where people have not been fooled by the salmon jumping. So everyone sees a salmon jump and they're like, oh, a whale. But any splash on the water until you know what you're looking for looks like a whale. So we'll see a salmon jump, maybe some Steller sea lions or harbor seals or Steller porpoise or harbor porpoises. There's lots of things out here. But that humpback whales, or those humpback whales, are very discernible because they are 50 feet long around. That's not an average. The males are a little bit smaller than the females, but their lungs are the size of a Volkswagen Beetle. So when they breathe, when they exhale that carbon dioxide from their huge lungs, that hot breath hits the cold, cold water here between 38 and 42 degrees Fahrenheit.
Johnson.
It's cold. And that hot
有没有看
breath
到 whale 啊？
that water vapor stream straight into the air, 6 to 20 feet up. So that is the first sign of a humpback whale. So look for that. It almost looks like smoke coming up the water.
没有看到 whale。你要赶快看，仔细看有没有 whale，跟爸爸讲 ，OK？
And if you guys are wondering about this rain, thinking, gee, I can't believe I came to Alaska when it's raining. Well, it's rare that it's not raining. Because you are in a temperate rainforest right now. This is the Tongass National Forest. It rains about 92 inches in town every year in Juneau. So we do love the rain. I mean, it's kind of surprising. We love the rain. It provides for all that wildlife. Because if we didn't have the rain and all that runoff coming off our forest, providing all the nutrients into the water, we wouldn't have all those fish that those whales like to eat. So those little nutrients that come flowing downstream are what the small fish and those little krill that these humpback whales are eating that's what they eat. So we need that rain to keep most of the nutrients down here for all the smaller creatures to eat too.
whale。对啊，所以我们你请讲。哦。我惊我
So we are heading
上尾较食，我惊讲等下食的。照出来。
Looks like this island on our right here, around our 1 o'clock or so, that is Shelter Island. And you may notice some little homes out there, but there's no power lines and no roads. So people do live out there year round. There are some solar panel powered homes as well as wind power and the generator power. So they're still up and running pretty well, but it is a little different lifestyle. Instead of taking your car into town to get groceries, they take their boats. So they'll take their boats.
Maybe I'll take all. Maybe.
So it never rains over totally. So in the wintertime, worst comes to worst, they can just take their boat into town.
一个不爱食，一个也眉头皱成这样。江神有 whale 了吗？
And this island on our left, it's a big island. It actually stretches 96 miles south. It's the largest island, or third largest island, sorry, in Southeast Alaska, Admiralty Island. And there are 2 brown bear per square mile on that island. So we may not see them. We probably won't see them actually because they're.
啊，伊那走来后壁啊，你甲抱过啊？
They don't like the noise of our
应该能过啊。
Occasionally they'll come out on the shoreline there, but maybe they come by the trees just watching us. So that's kind of scary. But there are a lot of brown bears out there. It's the highest density of brown bears of anywhere in the world on Admiralty Island. They've done some specials on it. It's called the Fortress of the Bears out there. So there are a few towns on Admiralty, or one town and a big mine. But those people just live out there amongst those mares.